then you put some pepperoni. You put this much pepperoni, and then you put some dough like this much. You
What?
put that much.
So,
Then you put some pepperonis. You put 1, 2.
and where would you put? How would you cook it? Where would you put it?
You'll put it in the you'll put the dough in the oven so it will cook for a little bit. Then you can let it stay in there
For how long?
for this much minutes.
And how hot would the oven have to be?
Huh?
How hot would the oven have to be?
Not that hot.
Look
Get started fire.
You got to put the pasta into the pot, and then you add some red sauce onto the noodles, and then you cook it until it's really hot, and then you take it out, and then you pour it on the plate, and then you add some more red sauce on it, and then we can eat it.
What else would you eat with your turkey?
Oh yeah, potatoes.
What kind of potatoes?
The ones that are brown.
That are brown?
Yeah.
How do you make those?
Get potato seeds, and if you have a garden, you can dig a hole and then put the seed in the hole, and then dig the hole back up.
Okay, and then once you get them out of the ground, what do you do with them?
Cook them.
How do you cook them?
Put them on a pan.
What's that?
On the pan.
On the pan?
Yeah.
Do you put them in the oven? Do you put them on the stove?
So,
Do you have to chop them up, or you just stick them in their hole?
chop them up.
Okay. And then do you put anything else on them?
Yep.
What, like what?
Potato sauce.
It's okay. How much potato sauce would you use?
This much.
Ho, ho, ho! Happy holidays!